Have you ever thought about turning your knowledge, your passion, or your skills into an income generating online course but didn't know where to start? Well, let me tell you this. Right now, we are living in the golden age of online education. People around the world are hungry for skills, real practical skills that help them grow, earn, and transform their lives. And if you can teach something that solves problems, you have the potential to build not just income but impact. Hi, I am Mayur from Mayur Networks, and today I am going to walk you through exactly how to create an online course, even if you have never thought before, never been on camera, and have no idea where to start. So grab a notepad because by the end of this video, you will have a complete roadmap to create and launch your first course successfully. Let's dive right in. Part 1. Start with a profitable course idea. The number one mistake beginners make, they jump straight into creating lessons without validating their idea. Here's the truth. A successful course sits at the intersection of three things. First, your expertise, what you know deeply. Second, your audience's pain, what people actually struggle with. Third, their willingness to pay, the problem they care enough about to invest in solving. Imagine you are an expert baker. Instead of making a generic learn baking course, what if you created how to bake gluten-free cakes that taste like heaven? That's niche, that's specific, that's what sells. Start by asking yourself, what problems can I solve? Who's actively searching for that solution? Are people already paying for this kind of help? If the answer is yes, you have found your sweet spot. Part 2. Map out your curriculum. Once you have your idea, it's time to design your students' transformation journey. You are not just sharing information, you are taking people from point A, their problem, to point B, their solution. Think of your course as a story. Every good story has a beginning, setting the stage and goals, a middle, teaching, practice, and overcoming challenges, and an end, achieving the transformation. Break your content into modules, each one focusing one on one key milestone. For example, Module 1, Getting Started and Goal Setting. Module 2, Core Concepts and Tools. Module 3, Practical Application. Module 4, Troubleshooting and Expert Tips. Module 5, Real World Projects and Wrap Up. When you do this, your students stay engaged because they can clearly see their progress. Part 3. Create engaging content. Here's where most people overthink. You don't need fancy equipment or a film studio, you just need clarity and energy. If you're confident on camera, go for video lessons. If not, start with slides, screen recordings, or voice over presentations. What matters most is how well you communicate transformation. Here's a secret: learners don't want perfect, they want real. Be yourself, use stories, use examples, show your process, even your mistakes, and most importantly, make every lesson actionable. After every module, give your students something to do because learning happens through doing, not just watching. Part 4. Get your course online. Once your content is ready, it's time to publish it. There are two main options. 1. Course platforms like Teachable, Thinkific, or Podia. Easy to use, great for beginners. Second, your own website or hub, perfect for long term brand building, which I personally use and recommend in my own community. If you are serious about creating an ecosystem around your course, build your hub. That means having your blog, your community, and course platform all connected to each other, just like what we do at Mayur Networks. Your hub becomes your base, your home base. That's where your audience learns, connects, and keep coming back. Part 5. Market and sell your course. Now comes the fun part, getting your course in front of people. Even the best course won't sell itself. You need a plan to attract traffic, build trust, and convert leads into students. Here's how to start. Build an email list, offer a free guide or worksheet, just like the ones on my website. Use social media, share tips, stories, and short lessons to build credibility. Collaborate with affiliates or influencers. Expand your reach quickly. Host free webinars. They are one of the most effective tools to convert interested people into paying students. And remember, marketing isn't manipulation, it's education. You're showing people how your course can help them solve their biggest problems. Before we wrap up, here's something I want you to remember. Creating a course isn't just about making money, it's about creating impact. Every lesson you record, every example you share could change someone's life. Someone who's been waiting for your way of teaching. So, if you have been holding back thinking, I'm not ready, here's your sign. Start now. You don't need to be perfect, you just need to start. And when you are ready to go deeper, join my free community at community.mayurnetworks.com, where you will get access to free and premium courses, resources, and network of like-minded entrepreneurs building their digital freedom. If this video has helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's been thinking about launching their own course. I'm Mayur from Mayur Networks, and I will see you in the next video where we turn your ideas into income. Bye bye.